Welcome back to O-Level Oasis, your reliable guide for CAIE exam preparation. We've already completed Unit 10.1 of the respiration chapter. Today, we're moving on to the next part of Chapter 10, which is aerobic respiration. And here is the syllabus content that we'll be covering in this unit. So, let's get started. So here we have specification number 1, which requires us to describe aerobic respiration as the release of a relatively large amount of energy by the breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration is the process in which glucose is completely broken down in the presence of oxygen, releasing a large amount of energy. It mainly takes place in the mitochondria and produces carbon dioxide and water as waste products, along with a substantial amount of ATP, the cell's main energy supply. So, we define aerobic respiration like this. It's a chemical process that happens inside cells, where oxygen is used to completely break down glucose. This breakdown releases a large amount of energy for the cell to use, and in the process, carbon dioxide and water are produced as waste products. Aerobic respiration is a chemical process that only occurs when oxygen is present. It involves a series of reactions inside the cells where oxygen is used to break down nutrient molecules. During the complete breakdown of glucose, a large amount of energy is released for the cell to perform its activities. This process also produces carbon dioxide and water as waste products, and it mainly takes place in the mitochondria. And finally, aerobic respiration is the exact opposite of photosynthesis because photosynthesis uses carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose and oxygen, whereas aerobic respiration uses glucose and oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water.